All right. I don't know if you can see my screen. Just a quick market view. Okay. All right. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, just subscribe. I kind of do this every day. I give what I think market is doing. Just we just come and analyze the market, and that's it. Just go live every day. So if you're not yet subscribed, you can just do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll be notified whenever we go live. You get so we'll be starting in a bit. Let me just put my background music. All right. We're live. We're starting with USDJPY, some of our Odogo UK pairs. So as usual from the monthly. Okay, let's just analyze what last week did. Last week was a bit messy. Last week was market was ranging all through. Was ranging all through from this zone. This from Monday last week. See, market was ranging from there to and it's still ranging till now. So we'll be expecting a breakout to decide where we're going. But let's start from the monthly first. Let's see what market has in store for us. All right. Okay. So what's the monthly showing us? What's the monthly showing us? Price down last low. So as I said earlier in one of the live streams, we are expecting price to take out this month's high to take it out. So this is our overall target. So we'll be looking for buy trades to take out this high. Nevertheless, we don't expect market to just go up straight and take it out. Market has to do some crazy things up and down movement, create liquidity, take out liquidity, and all that till it gets this high, which is our target. Expecting this month to take out last month's high. Yeah. So that's our target for that's our overall target for UJ to take out last month's high. So you can just note it down, do your confirmation entries, share an entry to buy down, something like that. If you can do it or something like that. So UJ take out last month's high, previous month's high. So on the weekly, what do we have on the weekly? On the weekly, what do we have? What the price do? Where's price currently reacting from? Let's see. The price gets to this level here. This cost model here. Okay, price did not get possible, but it reacted from this open close above the cost model, which is actually okay, kind of safe also, which is kind of good. The price reacted from there and is moving up. Yeah. So currently price is consolidating and we'll be expecting a breakout. In a way. The price is at a key level, a weekly key level. So it's kind of an price is kind of a decisive zone here. So either price breaks through here or this holds for a little down movement. Yeah. So but then there's I still believe in possibility of strong up movement to take out this high. So there is this matter of this open close here. The price has already tapped on it. The open close and the price has already tapped on it. So price may just from here and continue to upward movement. But we don't know that yet. Our price may still decide to take out last week's low and come to this fair value gap here. This is a weekly fair value gap. Come to this fair value gap here. That continue probably the 50% and continue the upward movement. So it's still Monday morning. We have not gotten clear something yet. Let's see what the market is trying to print. Probably after London session, we'll now see if market does some gives us some. But then on the daily, what do we have on the daily? See how this here, that price, this breaker key level here, the price may come back to, and is it in alignment to the fair value gap? Okay, it's almost at the fair value. So, and there's this open close that the price may or may not react to. So we don't know what market is trying to do yet. But until then, we just watch and wait. On the 4 hours is messy, kind of messy. There's not too much on the 4 hours. I had an entry here, but price ignored it and moved up. So I don't know if price may still come back. But then for UJ, we have nothing yet. Price is consolidating for a very long time. So we are staying out until we get an expansion. So we are waiting for an expansion of UJ. If you get an expansion, I will now decide whether we are getting a retracement or a reversal. So for UJ, we are patiently waiting to see what today has for us. So do not see much yet, but remember to take out last month's high. That is what it. So you should just be active and be watching it. Then gold. Don't mind the gold. Last week was good in a way. Not that good, but it works. So gold has taken out last month's low, and there is this same matter of last month's high. I think price price takes out all liquidity and balances for imbalance. There is not much imbalance unless this one be below, of which there is a low probability of price getting there. So we are expecting price to take out this last month's high as liquidity, as it did not break structure. Take out last month's high as a liquidity. So that's probably be our buyers for gold. So on the weekly, what do we have on the weekly? Price is reacting at this key level here. This key level is kind of a liquidity zone, but it's a demand zone at this demand key level here. Last week gave a sweep. Price came, but this one is still standing. That is March last month's low. That's not last month's low. This was last month's low. But then last month's low is still standing. I think, yeah, March. Okay, March low still standing. But aside that, this is how last week an indecisive candle. So with the week just started, I have this key level here, this resistance key level here, this shape. I also have this. Okay, not too much. So price, I also have something like this. Yep. Come on, watch my tune not picking. If you've noticed, I trade key levels mostly. Most why I trade key levels. So structure liquidator and key level. I identify market structure. So I'm expecting to buy gold, but an entry has not presented itself. On the daily, what do I have on the daily? Price is reacting from last week came, but did not take out this low. Reacted from this open close here. There's nothing. There's not been a major break of structure yet. So if price breaks this little high here, If price takes it out, then I'll be looking for buy trades on gold. But if price has reacted from there yet, but there's not been any movement yet. Price reacted from there and is rejecting. So there's nothing clearer yet on gold yet. What's on my line chart? Okay. Let me take the 4 hour. Let me take the 4 hour. So there's nothing clear yet on gold. Price may still sell from this zone. So probably price may still buy. Is kind of indecisive at the moment for me. So until price breaks out from this zone, breaks out, I'll still be waiting out. Probably see something like this. Then because adjustment to continue to the upside, something like this on gold. If not, if this zone holds, which is unlikely, but if this zone holds, we'll be expecting more bearish movements on gold. So it's still morning, it's still London session, so we are still watching out and waiting. So that's it for gold. I'm expecting a buying movement this week, but an entry has not presented itself. So gold buy this week, but then I've not gotten a clear entry yet. Moving on, we have ADJPY. I like this pair, but the pair they misbehave sometimes. What other have on the monthly, price has been buying very bullish. It took all last month's high in a way, but then price has been bullish, so we'll be looking for more bullish continuation. There's still this matter of this key level here that price has not yet tapped into, has not yet mitigated or tapped into. So on the weekly, what do I have on the weekly? This is we're expecting buy movement, we're expecting price to come and take this out, but there's still this also in alignment with a fair value gap that has not yet been mitigated. So what price does take out liquidity and rebalances old imbalance. So on the line chart, what do I have on the line chart? I have this Leko level here, little key level here. The price is almost getting to the price I already from that zone lots of times, but then it may still hold again as it's a higher time zone. May low probability, and it may still not. So on ADJPY, what do I have? On the daily, I think price is buying. Okay. Price took out this low last week. If we get a part good level for buy movements, for buy trades, or something like this, I am seeing something there on the 4 hour. Liquid low probability stuff, structure in a way. The intermediate time for the 2 hour. Let me see if it's clear on the 2 hour. So something like this. Oh, this is nice. This is kind of nice. The 30 minutes. Okay. Now this is complicated. On the 30 minutes, price has already tapped this zone. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So what do I see? From that. Okay, this is again. What do I see on the 4 hour? I think we'll be buying ADJPY, but from which zone is still not clear. Where I have this zone here. Also I have this zone. So which one is price going to use? We don't get inside that, but then we can get a hint. This was a sweep, not really a sweep sharp, but then it was today opened bullishly, perfectly bullishly. And there's a perfect and there's a possibility that price may not come back here again. Price may just keep from this key level and go to the upside. A possibility on the 2 hour. What do I say on the 2 hour? Something like this. 2 hours. A lot of zones here. I want to refine this trade more, but this would have been a very good trade if price comes back here. Something like this. Something like this. If price comes back here. But this is a fair value gap. Just buy from the fair value gap. Okay, something like this. Something like this. UTF, something like this. But it's not clear. If you're my Telegram channel, I'll send confirmation if possible. But then something like this would be good. It'd be good. As price has already tapped from here, has mitigated this level. So I think something like this would be good. And then the possibility price may still come back lower, but then something like this is good. All right, something like this on UJ, on ADJPY, something like this may hold. Not really clear yet, but I will update Telegram channel